Allocation Bot helps distribute tasks efficiently. From a single Excel file, it assigns pending tasks to users either randomly or sequentially, saving time and simplifying team coordination. Let's take a global finance report containing tasks with statuses like pending or in progress. The team needs to distribute these across users. The Work Allocation Bot splits the data by status, matches it with user lists, and generates user-specific files, quickly and accurately. There are two input files, one containing department task data, the other lists users to whom the tasks will be assigned. On the left is the raw report with unassigned tasks. On the right is a user list with emails. All pending records will be assigned to these users. Let's log in securely to the AmBot 365 platform. Once logged in, select Work Allocation Bot from the dashboard and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. Now select the Excel data file and the user list. Click Run to start the allocation. Once processed, the summary shows how tasks were distributed across users, total files generated, time taken, and user-wise assignment breakdown. All task files are saved here. You can choose to export them or send them directly via email in ready-to-send format. Here's an example. The user Aaron has received all his assigned pending invoices in a personalized Excel file. Allocate tasks to multiple users in seconds. Save up to 90% of your time. No filters, no sorting. Just instant allocation at scale.